I'll put another one on it. See what happens. I dare say you'd have trouble getting the hood for it.
It wouldn't be easy.
Is the wind?
And with your talent, you could make one of them.
It'd probably look a little different though. You guys ready for the car season? You get any foam or what you call it? That
Like some styrofoam or some impact strips.
Yeah.
That'll take and keep that from being on that.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind that. I wouldn't mind that. I'll do another one on this side. See if I got 4 of those bad boys. And I probably don't. It's okay. I'll have to head.
Even if you brought your down here and hooked.
Yeah, I might just do that.
Got racing stripes on her now.
It does.
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Probably could do that with the other one instead of having that hitting that up on there in the hood. Probably better bet. Yeah, I don't even need that. Just take that off and put my ratchet. Jamie! No need! That's good. Jamie!
Yeah.
No need.
You're re-engineering it.
And I know what you're saying. Perfect. There you go. That's not going to go too tough on it. That's not going anywhere. Door's not going anywhere. Trunk lid's not going anywhere. Oh. Anything else you want me to throw inside of it right now, or you just want me to go back to it again?
That's up to you.
Okay. What else do you
There's
think?
probably some small stuff you can tuck in around it.
Nah, I'm going to probably come down with a trailer, another trailer.
Yeah.
So we'll do another load then, if you can.
Oh yeah.
Okay. We'll go with that.
There's some shuffling and some trips to bring that stuff out from the back shop.
Okay, that's fine. I can do that.
That great big blue thing that's out front.
Yeah, I never thought of that. I could strap the car down, maybe.
Well,
Good thing you got her.
You got that right.
If you need more straps, I got lots home. You can use.
no, there's a bunch in the back of that white truck.
You got a couple straps I can use and bring back?
Oh yeah.
Cool. Because I got some pieces, but I'll leave them out just in case.
It is. It's already pre-distressed.